Hi there. This is Rather Bearman trying to make a video as this thing kicks into defrost mode. This is a Senville heat pump. Hard to talk, it's cold. It's going to get down to 17 degrees, and so I got to hurry up and film as it kicks into defrost mode. This thing was caked with snow. Literally, the coil is caked with snow 5 minutes ago, but right now that funny sound is the compressor just working this part to heat the coil to defrost. And the whole thing defrosted in about 6 or 8 minutes. House is still comfortable. And let me step over here. This is what it looks like. It's hard to talk when it's cold out. So, in any event, I had to hurry up and film as I heard the kind of a funny sound, and I realized that's the defrost mode kicking in by itself. And it's a nice system, one of a kind in this whole area in southeast Colorado. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day or night.